Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete your draft on TikTok. Okay, here you need to open your TikTok app. And if you want to download or record a draft, here is it. And then you're done, click the check button. Next, and then put it on your draft. That's it, you have a draft. And then go back to our profile and then click the draft folder. Tap select. You can select one photo or one draft, delete. You can select multiple videos or draft and then delete. And that's it, you're done. I hope this video helps. Have a great day. Thank you.